My name's Helena Cavan, and we're here in my home in the Cotswolds. 4 years ago, we had the Grander water system installed into our home, and immediately the children and the pets noticed a difference. So much so that they stopped drinking any other water.
It just tastes better than everything else I have around me, like bottles or just anything.
If someone took Grander water away from me, it would be a massive
Yeah, it'd be a pain.
gap in my life.
I'll never forget the first time that I tasted Grander water. When I held Grander in my mouth for the very first time, it felt like the water was singing. I had no other words of describing it. When we had it plumbed in, what I noticed is that I didn't need to use as many products. I definitely recommend that people have Grander installed in their homes because I see it in two levels. You can refill from a tap, and trust and love is that once you have your containers, you refill your containers, you take them out with you, and you're not leaving rubbish along the way. Grander is a solution to pollution in the body because structured water facilitates the cells absorbing water where they need it. It's an easy solution, and also it's very good value for money.